Hai and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Umay Shahin bin Muhammad Shah and I am from BA 249 Islamic Banking and Finance. I hope you guys are doing well during this pandemic. Now, without wasting our time, I would like to explain to you guys what is RegTech. Okay, FinTech universe consists of payments, digital banking, investment, crowdfunding, P2P lending, cryptocurrency, Insurtech and RegTech. Okay, what is RegTech? RegTech means regulatory technology. RegTech is the management of regulatory processes within the financial industry through technology. In other words, RegTech focuses on technology-based solutions to solve regulatory and supervisory challenges, including the challenges posed by the expansion of fintech. How RegTech developed? This RegTech has long-term benefit. The first one is cost and time efficiency. Companies will save money on compliance costs by adopting RegTech because it will be done automatically. It will also minimize the amount of time necessary because the technology will make the compliance procedure easier. The firm will be able to acquire a competitive advantage over their competitors as a result of this cost and time efficiency. The second one is improve your risk management. Companies can detect and avoid any possible risk to your organization by using the proper technology. These dangers include but are not limited to market manipulation, non-compliant trade, fraud and external cyber assault. The last one is create a sense of security for your customer base. The usage of RegTech not only benefits the firm directly, but it is also benefits their consumer base. The existence of a well-known and safe RegTech will function as an assurance because most consumers are hesitant to disclose their personal information with a somewhat unknown third-party app. Next one is 4 categories of RegTech. The first one is regulatory monitoring or content. Material libraries are examples of tools that deliver regulatory content. Content tools bring together materials released by regulators' legislation onto a single platform, making research and horizon scanning more efficient. The second one is regulatory obligation or knowledge. Beyond content, technology that offers a regulatory knowledge is a quantum leap. This category of solutions convert the raw language of regulatory papers into practical information, such as a company's particular duties. The third one is compliance management or containers. GRC platform and other workflow systems are called containers since they hold all of a company's regulatory information, such as regulatory requirements. Users may track and manage their compliance activity using workflow features. Okay, the last one is execution of compliance or point solution. Once firms have the right regulatory information housed in their preferred container, they may implement additional point solution to execute a task in a compliant way and access compliance with an obligation or control. Next is the opportunity in Islamic RegTech. Central banks and regulatory bodies throughout the globe are increasingly adopting IOFI norms, but Sharia scholars interpret and apply Islamic doctrine. Fatwas are basically the opinions of competent scholars, and diverse schools of thought allow academics and hence Sharia board to reach various ideas. As a conclusion, we can see that RegTech offers many benefits to organizations operating in regulated industries, despite the fact that certain hurdles to adoption have been eliminated. The benefit of adopting innovative technology that can help a company satisfy regulatory standards are considerable. Okay, that's all from me. Hope you guys stay safe during this pandemic. Assalamualaikum.